Hey guys, I'm showing you this spice rack organizer. This is a 3-tier bamboo expandable step display shelf for kitchen cabinet, countertop, pantry and more. So this is a set of two. As you can see, they are a little different size. These are the bamboo slabs. So there are like two holes and one hole thing. So I will show. This while assembling this is the manual that shows how you can assemble this. So it's pretty straightforward way. These are the screws. You need a screwdriver. So you can see in this one, like this is the two or the one hole. So one hole goes like here. So while putting this in the screw, and you can use it from the top side. That's how they make a nice design that you can use the screwdriver from the top itself. So you have to match the size. This is a different size panel. So here, once this is all set, you can see like this whole assembly like this. The same way we can also make this second one. This is again the different set of panel. So you have to match the size and then put the hole according to the holes. So the two holes on the top and then one hole each on the side. So just put in this one, and once this is done, we can put this like the rubber stopper on the foot so that it will not scratch and do anything. So I put on one and then I'm putting on the second one. We just put on the four corners. So this will give the cushion and the thing. So this is a very nice design for the rack organizer, and the good thing is that you can actually go this into each other, so it will save the space, and then you can just take it out to have more space. So this is a nice organizer, sturdy and easy to clean, bamboo one, and holds the spices rack very nearly. Wide mouth thing, so you can put different things. So like is a organizer that will be used in the kitchen countertop or anywhere you want to use, or for the showcase of the things, and pretty easy and portable.